AI is going to replace millions of jobs. That's the headline. But in reality, it is more nuanced. Hi, I'm Sandeep Sastry. Deloitte's 2026 State of AI in the Enterprise report shows that 84% of the companies have not redesigned jobs around AI. This means that large scale job loss is not immediate. At a recent NC Tech Outlook for Tech 2026 event, Forrester presented that AI and automation may roughly affect 6% of the jobs by 2030. That would be primarily by augmentation and not elimination. They also noted that most of the recent AI attribute layoffs might be filled quietly offshore or in low cost centers. Anthropic's recent economic research on Claude introduces the idea of observed exposure. That is the difference between what an AI can theoretically do and how it is actually used in practice. For example, for computer programming, the theoretical exposure, that is the technical capability of an AI, is around 94%. But the real world usage, the adoption, is only 33%. So there is a big gap in adoption, even at a technical level. Taken all together, the signals are consistent. AI is not replacing jobs overnight. It is augmenting how individuals work and redefining personal productivity. To explore more, you can read my NC Tech article.